To perform touchscreen diagnostics on Samsung S25, start by opening settings, then scroll until you locate device care, and then go for diagnostics. Wait for a while for a loading screen, around 3-4 seconds. Move to phone diagnostics, and here, if you open it for the first time, then it will perform this test automatically, but you can skip this and then go back and you can find all of this, functions. So to perform touchscreen diagnostic, click here. And now we have to tap each square and drag our finger across them to actually check if our screen is working properly. So it will be definitely useful if you apply your, tempered glass or any other screen protection on your screen in S25. And then you will be able to find out if there's actually some spots that doesn't actually let you to use your screen. So that's how it actually looks in my case. As you can see, everything is fine because I don't actually have any screen protection right here. But tell me how it looks in your case. Tell me your result.